Does your living room feel small or cramped? Don't worry, you don't need to knock down walls to make it look spacious. In 2025, interior designers are focusing on smart layouts, color psychology, and multifunctional furniture to open up even the smallest spaces. Today, we'll show you 6 genius ways to make your living room look bigger, using simple yet powerful design tricks that anyone can try. Let's transform your home into a bright, open, and modern retreat. 1. Choose light and neutral colors. Color plays a massive role in how big your space feels. In 2025, light tones like soft beige, off-white, pale gray, and pastel hues are trending for living rooms. These shades reflect natural light, creating an illusion of depth and openness. You can always add personality through textures, think linen cushions, jute rugs, or warm wood furniture. Design tip: paint walls, ceilings, and trims in similar light tones for a seamless, airy look that makes your room feel twice as large. 2. Use mirrors to create depth. Mirrors are one of the easiest tricks to visually double your space. A large wall mirror or a set of smaller decorative mirrors reflects both light and the room itself, making your living area appear wider. Place a mirror opposite a window to bounce natural light around the room. Design tip: use thin metallic or frameless mirrors for a modern touch that adds elegance without clutter. 3. Go for smart, space-saving furniture. Bulky furniture eats up valuable space. Opt for slim, elevated designs, sofas with raised legs, glass coffee tables, and multi-purpose ottomans with hidden storage. In 2025, modular furniture is trending, perfect for compact homes. It allows flexibility to rearrange seating, create more flow, and adapt the space for gatherings or relaxation. Design tip: avoid furniture that blocks pathways. Always leave visible floor space to enhance the feeling of openness. 4. Layer your lighting. A well-lit room instantly feels bigger and more inviting. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create dimension. Use floor lamps, wall sconces, and LED strips instead of relying only on ceiling lights. Lighting in corners or under shelves helps eliminate shadows, one of the main causes of a cramped look. Design tip: add warm white LEDs or indirect light behind panels to soften the mood and expand visual depth. 5. Keep walls and floors cohesive. Consistency is key. Matching your wall and floor tones helps create a smooth, uninterrupted flow that visually enlarges the space. In 2025, homeowners are choosing neutral wood floors, large porcelain tiles, or continuous vinyl planks to achieve this look. Add a light-colored area rug to define zones without breaking the visual line. Design tip: use minimal wall decor or slim floating shelves instead of bulky cabinets to keep things streamlined. 6. Declutter and simplify your decor. Less really is more when it comes to small spaces. Avoid overcrowding your living room with too many accessories or furniture pieces. Go for a few statement pieces, like a bold art frame, a unique light fixture, or a textured rug, instead of filling every corner. In 2025, interior trends favor open, breathable spaces where every item serves a purpose. Design tip: use hidden storage baskets or sleek TV units with built-in drawers to keep everything neatly tucked away. So, there you have it, 6 easy yet powerful ways to make your living room look bigger without any major renovation. With the right colors, lighting, and furniture choices, even the smallest space can feel luxurious and open. And if you're ready to bring your dream living room to life, visit fixitdubai.ae, Dubai's expert team in interior design, wall panels, flooring, and custom furniture solutions. Make your home look spacious, stylish, and smart, only with Fixit Dubai, where design meets perfection.